Here is the list of must-watch dramas of Lee Min-ho if you are a fan of him. In this list first comes Faith. It is one of the best historical K-drama so far with happy ending with lots of twists and turns. In this Lee Min-ho played a role of General Choi Young, a very famous general in Korean history and a national hero. And this drama is about a modern-day plastic surgeon, who is kidnapped and brought back in time to the Goryeo period, 700 years in the past, where she falls in love with her kidnapper, is none other than this famous general in history. In total it has 24 episodes. It is one of my favorite drama. I will definitely recommend you to watch it. Second comes Legend of Blue Sea. It tells the story of a mermaid who goes to Seoul to find the man she loves. As she tries to adjust to life on land, the two begin a romantic relationship. This drama follows two storylines, one in the modern time and one in the Joseon era. We flash back to the historical portion to learn the backstory of our characters. In the past, the love story of the human, Dam Rying, and the mermaid, Se Hawa, unfolds bit by bit throughout the drama. The main story is set in the present where their modern-day selves reunite and begin their romance again. In this drama Lee Min-ho played the role of Hajunjae. It has 20 episodes. Third comes The King, Eternal Monarch. It is a fantasy romance drama that depicts the story about two parallel worlds. Emperor Lee Gon crosses the border between two worlds. There he was able to meet Detective Jang Tae-yul and their love story begins. A revenge plot makes the entire parallel universe and time traveling fun and interesting. In this drama Lee Min-ho played the role of Emperor Lee Gon. It has 16 episodes. Fourth comes Heirs. Heirs tells the story of Kim Tan, who is the rich heir to the Empire Group. While attending school in the United States, he meets Go Yoon-sang, who came to the States to live with her sister in hopes of a better life. But when things go badly with her sister, Yoon-sang ends up stranded with nowhere to go and is taken in by Kim Tan. But neither of them are aware that Yoon-sang's mother is a housekeeper in Kim Tan home in Korea. In this drama Lee Min-ho played a role of Kim Tan, a rich heir to the Empire Group. It has total 20 episodes. Fifth comes Boys Over Flowers. It tells love story between a poor girl and the F4 gang of rich kids headed by the rough and fearless Gu Junpyo. Jeom Jandi is a girl from a poor family but has an unrivaled sense of optimism. And is by chance admitted to a prestigious private high school. There she meets the infamous group of 4 good-looking and rich boys who are known as F4. The group's leader is Gu Junpyo, who is a spoiled heir to world-leading company. In this drama we get to see Lee Min-ho as Gu Junpyo, the leader of F4. Sixth comes Personal Taste. This TV series features the love story of Park Kae-in and Hoo Jun-jin-ho. Park Kae-in is a furniture designer, whose boyfriend, Ha Chang-ryul almost gets married to one of her friends, Kim In-hee, without her knowledge. While Jun-jin-ho is an architect who wants to win an architecture competition in which Ha Chang-ryul is also part of. He moves into Kae-in's home because of some reasons and continues to allow her think he is a gay. They both fall for each other, with her thinking Jin-ho is gay, but they have to face Chang-ryul liking Kae-in again. Kae-in's father comes back and revealed why he moved to her daughter's house. To know more, watch this series. Total it has 16 episodes. Seventh comes City Hunter. City Hunter is an action drama about a young man named Lee Yoon-sung with the secret identity of City Hunter. He is out to take revenge on the politicians who caused his father's death many years before. His plan was to not develop feelings for anyone, but that changes as he grows closer to a woman he works with, Kim Na-na. It is an excellent drama with action, revenge, and a nice romance to boot. The revenge plot is well thought out and executed at a nice pace. This keeps the drama exciting throughout. It has total 20 episodes. Eighth comes Summer Love. This web drama tells the story of Yoona and Minho, who are old-time friends and have also been talking for quite a while. The web drama depicts a sweet love story and connects it to the company's newest product, Longway Cushion. It is a mini drama with 2 episodes. Ninth comes Line Romance. It is a story of a female Chinese tourist named Ling Ling, who goes to Korea and falls in love with Minho, a music producer with both talent and good looks. Due to their language barrier, the two people use the mobile messenger app Line to communicate with one another. It is also a mini drama with 4 episodes. 10th comes Mackerel Run. The drama revolves around a male high school aged student named Gong Chan Cha, who was enrolled in a competitive private school. However, he was only accepted because of his excellent soccer skills, not for academics. When he quits the sport, he finds himself an outcast at the school, grows despondent, and starts playing hooky a lot. But one day, a beautiful new girl transfers to the school, and when she walks into his class, Gong Chan falls for her instantly. He is finally enthusiastic about going to school, but the school administrator informs him that he will be expelled if he misses one more day. Gong Chan vows that he won't give up on either his school life or his love. Lee Min-ho played the role of Cha Gong Chan. It has total 8 episodes.